Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I brought to you BAOHONG Academy watercolor paper pad, which is 300 GSM 100% cotton acid-free watercolor paper. The dimensions are 8.3 into 5.9 inches, which is equivalent to A5 size. So here is my first thought about the paper. Yes, it definitely feels like 100% cotton paper. This is a cold press paper, so it has a very nice texture to it. Feels pretty much like arches, even though this is a student grade paper. Okay, it's time to do some work now. I'll do some tests at first and give you a real life example by painting a nice picture, and see you on the other side with my final verdict whether you should buy this or not. So here are the few things I noticed. I started from the first block and it's still wet. This means you have a lot of time to work on your painting before it dries off. It warped a little while painting but dried off flat like new. The colors look absolutely beautiful. Soft gradation with awesome granulation. Loads of drama with the dispersion. Nothing so exciting about those splatters. A brilliant mix is everything that matters. It lifts like a charm, so welcome to Nyasanan Watercolors. So from here, sit back, relax and enjoy the show because I'm gonna paint something very beautiful for you guys. So I think this product is brilliant for what it has to offer in that price range. The links are in the description box below. You can go check them right now. And don't you dare forget to subscribe. Bye.